Welcome to Academic Guru's Tutoring Thursday, where we answer all of your high school, college, and university questions. If you would like your question to be featured on next week's Tutoring Thursday, please submit your questions to questions@academicgurusinc.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you can stay current with all of our new videos.
Alright, in this video we're going to solve two derivative problems. The first one says y equals sine of x squared. So just by looking at this function, I can say that the only way to solve this would be, the easiest way perhaps to solve this problem would be by using the chain rule. So let's use the chain rule. I'll have my y prime equals the derivative of sine. It's just going to be cosine, so I'll have cosine, and I'll have my second term x squared, and then times the derivative of my second term, and then for x squared the derivative is just going to be 2x. Alright, so that's it for the first problem. Relatively easy. Let's get to the second one. Alright, so for the second problem we have y equals x squared plus 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 30. There are two ways to do this problem. The first one would be to expand all this, what is it, x squared plus 3x plus 4 to the 30 times. That's going to take you an entire day. Then it's going to take you another day to combine all your terms together, and then at the end of the day you might make some mistakes because this is just going to be humongous. The other way though, the second method to do this would be just by using the good old chain rule. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to take our outside term, which is going to be 30. So again, we're using the chain rule, so we have 30 times x squared plus 3x plus 4. Then we're going to reduce 30 by 1, so we're going to get 29. And then it's going to be times whatever I have inside the parentheses. So derivative of whatever I have inside the parentheses. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 4. So it's just going to be times, I'm going to have x squared would be 2x plus the derivative of 3x would just be 3. And my constant is 4, so it's just going to be 0. I'm not going to write plus 0 because, then so I'm just going to have 2x plus 3. So chain rule makes it easy. There you have it for the second problem. If you just started learning about derivatives, these are kind of the problems that you'll see at first. But once you dive into it, it's going to get a whole lot complicated than that. But this is a pretty good start into derivatives. And again, these problems are quite challenging if you're new to calculus and concept of derivatives. I have a lot of students who struggle with derivatives, and my only advice to them is to just practice over and over again because there's no other way around it. And once you have enough practice, you'll be able to grasp all the material. So there you have it for this video.
Thank you for tuning into our Tutoring Thursday channel. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you. Until next week's Tutoring Thursday, happy studying.